Hello there, this is Infinity, and I'm going to show you today how to make this awesome steampunk mirror. It's a mirror and with a moving gear. So to make this, the first thing you're going to do is take your compact of face powder and rip the mirror off the compact. You can still continue to use the powder, and you want to choose a compact where the mirror, the top mirror of the compact is slightly convex, so it's not flat, but there's a slight mound. What we're going to do is you take a big gear. Now these gears can all be purchased at Spirit Halloween or eBay or Amazon and such. We want to get, and I don't have any blank gears left. Here's a gear, it's attached to wire. We were using this as like a hand bracelet. The idea is to get this gear in the mirror. Before you do that, take the price tags or anything off the compact and spray paint it. I chose brown, but you can choose whatever color you like, preferably a different color from whatever gear is that you're using. Mask off the inside, mask off the glass so that you don't get the spray paint on the glass. Now we're going to take, you need to choose a bolt. So something like this that will go through the gear that you're using. See, this fits perfectly, there's give. And you do want a little bit of give. This has a good 2 or 3 millimeter give in it. The one that I used on this had literally no give at all, and every time that I use it I have to put WD-40 on it to get it to spin. So the more give the better. So we're gonna get this screw in here and pick it's a bolt, it's a flat bolt, no point on the bottom, and this is how we're going to get this bolt inside here. There's no glue involved. I like to work, and I recommend you work on a non-flammable surface. So this is a glass cutting board, so glass is safe. Take some blue tape and tape the mirror down to your workspace so that it won't move around. Take the gear in question that you're going to use, find the center of the mirror, and let's get in on a close-up on this. So find the center and then tape the gear. So the mirror is already taped to the table. Tape the gear to the center. Okay? Alright, so you can back up again. Now take your bolt and then grab the longest pair of pliers that you have in the house. So it might work with this, but you're going to risk burning yourself. If you have something like this, this might work. But if you have something super long like this, and I would also recommend using a pot holder. So I'm going to demonstrate for this to you on a candle. Okay, because we have to heat up this bolt so hot that it's going to melt into the plastic. So I'm going to demonstrate on a candle, and I'm really not going to do it because it takes more than 5 minutes to get the bolt to heat up. But once this is, and you'll see it turn red, so let's get an overhead shot. So once that is on there, you're going to press this bolt into the center, and then when it's all the way down and it's in there, take a piece of wood and then really press it in there. Okay? And then when you're done, it'll look like this. Here, you can go back. So that's your main mechanism. So now the handle was just a variety of various size little gears that you buy. Like you could get baggies of little gears. Again, it's Spirit Halloween. I put some bigger ones here. This gear fit in perfectly. You could use like the hook that naturally occurs on the mirror to hook the gear on. I glued them like in like a stack to make a little handle, and then at this end, I where the metal hinge would normally be, stuck wire through that. I put a gear up in there, and then this way you can hang it, because the idea is to show it on your steampunk costume. And this is just an S hook from Amazon. And when I was I'll show a picture of my steampunk video, but I had this little utility belt, and then this was hanging in the utility belt so that you can see the mirror on your costume. And then when you want to use the mirror, you just unhook it, and then you spin that around, and you can put on your lipstick or do whatever you got to do. So happy steampunking.